Hi, blessed Sunday. So today we just tried attending Sunday Mass in a Catholic church. The nearest one is St. Stephen's Catholic Church. Um, Sobrang small lang ng place. Hindi ko alam kung kita from here. Yan siya. So, parang it's a total opposite from what we're used to back in the Philippines. Kasi diba sa atin, majority are Catholic. But here, they are the minority. So, maliit ang chapel. But the advantage there is they are close-knit. Sobrang winelcome kami. As in, syempre obvious na hindi kami taga dito, no? Yung kulay pa lang namin, itsura namin. At ang pinaka-giveaway is nakamask kami. Pagpasok so, um, winelcome kagad kami. As in, tas binigyan pa si Joseph ng, well, yung asawa ko ng, um, calling cards ng mga parang mga IT person kasi sinabi niya na IT siya, ganyan. Tapos, naghahanap ng work. Tapos, ano ba to, after ng choir, pinaregister kami kagad kasi dahil nga small community siya, kailangan registered. Tapos kinuha yung info namin kung na-receive naman namin yung mga sacraments na iba. Tapos, so they know now that we haven't had church wedding yet. And they're happy to officiate our church wedding. Sabi niya, it's gonna cost you nothing. Ganun. Kasi na-mention ko, kasi parang nagtaka sila na they've been married civilly for 6 years, but that's it. For 5 years, turning 6 years. But, sabi ko, getting married in the church back home is very expensive. Sabi nung, anong tawag doon, sa parang rectory. Ano daw, no, here it's gonna cost you nothing. We'll help you get that set up so that you can receive the Holy Communion. Tapos, pero ni-receive na namin. Kasi grabe dito, dahil nga maliit lang yung church, sobrang gina-guide talaga kayo na pag ito na yung next, Holy Communion. Hindi na tinatanong kung married ba kayo in the church. Hindi na. Basta bigla na kayong pinapapila. Tapos may anointing na nangyari. Parang may holy oil na nakalagay sa Q-tips or cotton buds. Inano sa, parang nag-sign of the cross sa noo, tsaka sa hands namin. Ayun, tapos, ayun, yung mga songs, hindi kami masyado familiar. Tapos yung only song na alam ko, Our Father, hindi nila kinakanta dito. Inaano nila, binibigkas lang. Tapos, ano pa ba to? Sinasarado na, nilalak nila yung church after the mass. Hindi katulad sa atin na pwede ka magbisita iglesia. Di ba yung parang walang mass pero mag-church ka lang talaga, ganun. Tapos, isa lang yung mass per week. So, that's the 9 a.m. mass that we caught. Unlike sa atin, parang ang Sunday mass, mga 5 times per day. Tapos bukod pa yung mga weekday mass. Ganun karap. Tapos mga full pack lahat yun. Kaya lang ang disadvantage nun dahil nga big groups, hindi na nag-uusap-usap after. Unlike this, so bukod sa pinaregister kami, in-invite pa kami sa coffee nila. Parang common sa kanila yun na every after mass, nagko-coffee sila tapos may konting snacks.
Get
Ayun.
together.
Get together kasi nga small community. Ayun, parang we're your family, ganyan din sinabi sa amin na parang since you're new here, at least you know someone, we're family, ganyan. Tapos may nakalala pa ako, RN din siya, pero retired or retiring na siya. Parang nag-help na lang siya sa community. Pero yun nga, hindi daw nawawala yung pagka-nurse niya, ganun. So, ewan ko, feeling ko okay naman yung yung church dito. Ewan ko, ikaw, ano masasabi mo?
Yeah, very, very nice community. Very friendly. they're happy to share their knowledge kapag may questions. Lagi nilang binabanggit yun. If ever you need anything, need help, need to talk to someone, ganyan, we're happy to help you or talk to you in case need help from anything. Ganun.
Tapos tinanong siya ng mga IT questions kasi IT siya para nagpa-troubleshoot sa kanya.
Hindi ako nakasagot kasi modern na
Kasi
device yung
Oo,
hinihingian niya ng tulong.
hindi
Inaano
parang
dito
hindi
sa
na-
atin,
oo.
sa Pinas.
It's not something na so, it's not something. Ito yung may Wendy's pala dito. Ay, Walgreens pala is also a grocery store. Pero baka is not as big as. Anyway, parang everyday nag-grocery kami kasi lagi kaming may nakikitang kulang. So, I guess ganun talaga struggles of
Madidiscover kang unique pala. Ganyan.
so, ayan, ang aming suki, Walmart.
Walmart again.
Grabe dito. Anyway, hindi namin naranasan yung mga sinasabi nila na na yung mga Asian hate, yung mga yung mga masasama, wala kaming naranasan na gano'n.
So far, it's cool.
So far, so good. So, naswertehan namin yung community na to. Ayan, baba na kami, parking na kami. Catch up later.